This is part 2 of our Memorial Day series. We did the taco dip. We love it. So cute, so delicious. Now, the fun stuff. We are making a drink that is called the Red, White, and Sprite. So let's get right into it.
I'm ready.
So yummy. Okay, so first you just want some ice in your glasses, of course. And we're gonna start with about an ounce of vodka in each glass.
There we go.
Okay. So about that much. Okay. Great. Next, we're gonna put just a little bit of grenadine in each. Okay, so just like a quick little, that's good. Great. All right,
I'm a
and
pro already.
you're so good. Then we're gonna finish it off with some Sprite. You might even want more grenadine. Cool. And as a really cute little garnish, some blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. We went with frozen this time. There it is. So cute.
Yeah, it looks fun.
So cute, so yummy. If you don't like Sprite, you could use club soda, you could use just water if you're getting really crazy. Really, the options are endless, but you're gonna be at the top of the party with the drink so patriotic. Cheers! Cool. So, that was part 2. We will see you on part 3 coming up right after this.
See you soon.